Develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Bureau County in north central Illinois until 7:15 p.m.
Stop.
At 6:30 p.m. a severe
Oh yeah.
thunderstorm capable of
Wow, that's
causing a
really
tornado
broad,
was
but it's
located
there.
over Kewaunee Municipal
But look at
Airport,
this
or
one.
Kewaunee, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
If I can find the radar in
Tornado and
Kankakee.
golf ball size hail. Source: radar
It's huge.
indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kewaunee, Neponset, and Johnson Sauk Trail State Park around 6:35 p.m. Sheffield and Buda around 6:45 p.m. This includes Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 39 and 45. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This would be a first Torii lots ever issued, doesn't it?
Tornado watch number.
This is pretty extreme.